So to set up a fingerprint on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, on the left-hand side, go to Lock Screen, tap on that. And then under Lock Screen, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your current password if you have one. And then you will see this page that says face recognition and fingerprint. Now, keep in mind that you need to have set one of these up, either the PIN, password, or pattern, to be able to set up one of the biometrics security features. Now, if you haven't set one up, then your tablet will prompt you to set it up first. Anyway, while you're here, tap on fingerprint. It's going to take you to the fingerprints section. That's because I already have a password. And then tap on continue. And then now it's time to register your finger for fingerprint. So tap on register, and the fingerprint is here under the screen. So what you need to do is simply put your finger there, and then lift it up, change the angle, and then keep lifting and putting it there. And you want to do this in as many different angles as possible. It's a big fingerprint sensor, so it takes a huge space. Okay, so you want to keep turning your finger as much as possible so you can capture as much of your finger as possible. And also you want to twist your finger a bit so it can capture some extra data, just like that. Okay, and once it goes to 100%, you should be good to go. Now, of course, if you want to, you can add another fingerprint, either another finger on your hand, or maybe someone else who you want to be accessing this tablet with a fingerprint. You can add them. But since for me I'm done, I'll just tap on done. So from now on, instead of putting in your password, you can just choose to scan your finger, and that's going to unlock the tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.